Let's make a latte using our Breville espresso machine. First, making sure that there's enough water in the tank, turn on your machine. To make a latte, we're going to need the dual wall double cup filter, portafilter. So go ahead and stick that in if it's not already in. Okay. Because we have that double cup one in, let's go ahead and make sure that the filter size is set to the double, and we'll click it in once. When it's all done, we'll go ahead and just tap it down a little bit. Okay. If you have an espresso distributor, just place it on top. Give it a few spins. Okay. Now we can use our tamper to tamp down the espresso. I usually make sure that it's level with one hand and then press down pretty hard on maybe 2 or 3 times. 2, 3, give it a little spin afterwards. All right. Let's go ahead and extract the espresso. We're gonna go ahead and insert it like so and turn it around. If you have espresso shot glasses, you can put it under there or put your cup directly underneath. And because we're doing the double cup, we're gonna do the double cup thing here. To make a latte, you want to fill up the milk right below where that crease is, right there on your cup. Right there. Right down there, just below that. And there are 2 settings for the steamer over here. There's the steamer going that way, and then there's hot water going that way. We're going to go ahead and get this started by going towards the steamer there. Once it starts going, we'll go ahead and go to standby. Place it right in there, right in the middle right there, and then we're going to do it at an angle, like so. And have the nozzle just above the top of the milk. And the goal is to start to see it spinning. Something like that, and always do it just a little more, and then wipe the nozzle clean. Okay, just give the frothed milk a couple pats down, get your espresso in the cup. Okay, and then just pour it right in, however you like. Some makeshift latte art there. There's something. Enjoy!